are rich in various species of fauna and flora. This is many species characteristic for the nature of the Polish depression, but there are also rare protected animals. In this film, we will present a few of them.
Zajrzyjmy się dookoła.
The European roe deer. Male roe deer is called buck and female is called doe. This mammal is relatively small. It has a reddish body with a grey face. Its hide is golden red in summer, darkening to barrel or black in winter. Its tail is barely visible. When alarmed, it will bark a sound much like a dog and flash out its white brown patch. Rump patches differ between the sexes. Females have heart-shaped rump patches and males have kidney-shaped patches. Only the males have antlers. The roe deer is very quick and it may venture into grasslands. They feed mainly on grass, leaves, berries and shoots. Their breeding season is in July and August. The polygamous males clash over territory in early summer and mate in early fall. The baby roe deer is called fawn. Adults often abandon their young if they smell that an animal or human has been near it. The roe deer lives up to 10 years. The red fox. Red foxes are the largest species of the genus Volpes. The red fox has an elongated body and short limbs. The tail is longer than half the body length and fluffy. The forepaws have 5 digits, while the hind feet have only 4 and lack dual paws. Their body is mostly red, but the chin, lower lips, throat, tip of the tail and front of the chest are white. They are very able, being capable of jumping over 2 meters high fences and swim well. Red foxes are usually together in herds or small groups, such as a mated pair and their young, or a male with several females. The species primarily feeds on small rodents, though it may also target rubbish, birds, reptiles, invertebrates and young ungulates. Fruits and vegetables are also eaten sometimes. Foxes use their urine to mark their territories. They reproduce once a year in spring. Their babies are called kids. The black stork. The black stork is a large wandering bird. It's a widespread but uncommon species. This is a shy and wary bird, unlike the closely related stork. It's seen in pairs or small flocks in marshy areas, rivers or inland waters. They are slightly smaller than the white stork, but it also has long legs, long neck and a long straight pointed beak. The plumage is all black except for the white breast, belly and undertail feathers. The skin around its eyes is red, same as its beak and legs. The sexes are identical in appearance except that males are larger than females. The black stork feeds only amphibians and insects. This bird is a strong migrant entering tropical Africa and India. The storks migrate from the middle of August to the end of September. They return in March. Black stork parents have been known to kill one of their young, generally the smallest, in times of food shortage, to increase the chance of survival of the remaining chickens. The great mouse-eared bat. It's one of the largest European bats. It feeds various arthropods. Unlike many bats, it doesn't capture prey in flight, but instead cleans it from the ground, locating the prey by listening for the noises produced by creatures such as beetles, centipedes, and spiders. It uses echolocation only for orientation. Habitations in Northern Europe are located almost only in large attics of buildings, while in Southern Europe they are located in caves. Also, single males can live there, although in some countries, for example Germany or Western Poland. There are regular cases of those bats sleeping in bird and bag boxes. Great mouse-eared bats spend winter merely in underground habitations like caves, mines, tunnels, and large basements. The winter hibernating season starts in September and ends in April. In Poland, those bats are under strict protection and require active protection. The long-tailed duck. This duck is also known as old squaw. It's a medium-sized sea duck. The male has a long pointed tail, dark grey beak crossed by a light pink band and black and white feathers. The female is brown and has a short tail. The males are vocal and have a musical yodeling call. Their living habitat is in marshes but also along sea coasts. The long-tailed duck is gregarious. It's forming large flocks in winter and during migration. Their most important wintering area is the Baltic Sea, where millions of them gather. They feed by living for molluscs, crustaceans, and small fish. Sometimes they eat insects, mooses, and algae. Although they usually feed close to the surface, they are capable of diving to depths of 60 meters. This bird is one of the protected species. The European hare. Hares are larger than the rabbits, have longer ears and hind legs, and live on the ground rather than in a burrow. The fur color is grizzled brown on the back, white on the underside, and black on the tail and the ear tips. They rely on speed to escape from predators. Generally nocturnal and shy in nature, hares change their behavior in the spring, when they are chasing one another around fields and meadows. During this spring season, the females can be seen striking males with their paws to show they are not ready to mate or to test their determination. Fights can leave numerous scars on the ears. This species breeding season lasts from January to August. Hares are herbivorous and feed on grasses, herbs, twigs, wood, bark, and field crops. The young hares are called labyrinths. They are fully furred and ready to leave the nest as soon as they are born. Hares can live for as long as 12 years. Thank you.
Śmieszne after scenę. Płatki. Bloopers. Co masz? Dziurę w buzi. Ale nie musicie zrobić dziurki. Zrobimy dziurę, tylko ja robię bekę. A, robię bekę, to sorry. Nie mam dziurę w buzi. Fajnie. Skakuj z hojsu. Ona wzięła dla mnie górkę do joba. Czemu ty nie nagrywasz? No właśnie, ja też się